Jatiluwih is a stunning area in Bali, Indonesia, renowned for its sprawling rice terraces, traditional Balinese village atmosphere, and scenic landscapes. Located in Tabanan Regency, about 1.5 hours drive from Ubud or 2 hours from Denpasar, Jatiluwih sits in the highlands at the foot of Mount Batukaru, offering cool mountain air and breathtaking panoramic views. Trekking and walking paths. Jatiluwih offers a range of well-marked trekking trails that let you explore the lush green terraces up close. You can choose from short walks of 1 to 2 kilometers to longer, more immersive hikes through the fields, allowing you to see farmers at work and take in the vibrant green rice paddies, especially during the planting and harvesting seasons. Cycling tours. Cycling through Jatiluwih's serene rice terraces is a popular activity. Local tour companies provide bicycles and guides for you to ride along scenic paths, explore nearby villages, and see rural Balinese life up close. Highlights of Jatiluwih, UNESCO Heritage Rice Terraces. The rice terraces here are part of Bali's UNESCO-recognized cultural landscape due to the ancient Subak irrigation system, which dates back to the 9th century. Subak is a traditional water management system developed by Balinese farmers, reflecting a harmonious relationship between humans and nature. Visit traditional Balinese villages. Jatiluwih is home to some small villages where you can learn about local customs, culture, and agriculture practices. The villages often hold traditional ceremonies, offering a glimpse into the daily life and spiritual practices of the Balinese people. Yoga and meditation retreats. Some retreats and wellness centers in the Jatiluwih area offer yoga, meditation, and spiritual workshops. The serene surroundings make it an ideal place to disconnect and enjoy moments of tranquility. Balinese food and coffee tastings. There are local restaurants and warungs, small eateries, where you can enjoy authentic Balinese cuisine with a view. Some places also offer coffee and tea tastings featuring locally sourced ingredients from the surrounding highlands. Hot springs nearby. While not in Jatiluwih itself, the nearby Ongsari Hot Springs, about a 30-minute drive away, is a hidden gem. It's a great spot to relax and soak in natural hot spring waters in a scenic jungle setting after a day of trekking. Best time to visit. The rice terraces are green and most vibrant from March to September, just after the rainy season when the rice fields are lush and fully grown. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching our video. We hope it gives you some more information and ideas on how to make a wonderful Bali itinerary shortly. Some important links are available in the description for your private car rentals with drivers so you can explore the best of Bali freely. We are looking forward to meeting you in paradise. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Best regards, YN. BaliGoldenTrips.com and team.